As the first rays of dawn touched the sleepy village of Ratanpur, a sense of urgency hung in the air. The annual flood, a grim reminder of nature's power, was threatening the village again. The villagers, though accustomed to this ordeal, felt a heightened sense of dread this year. The river had swollen more than ever before, and the usual measures seemed inadequate. Amidst this turmoil, Aryan, a young engineer who had recently returned from the city, stepped forward. Aryan, with his knowledge and a heart full of determination, saw an opportunity to help his community. He quickly gathered the village elders and proposed a plan to build a temporary embankment using locally available materials. The villagers were skeptical but hopeful. Aryan's plan required everyone's effort, but the community spirit of Ratanpur was strong. Men, women, and children came together, bringing bamboo, sandbags, and ropes. Aryan led the team with precision, assigning tasks and teaching new techniques for building a sturdy embankment. Days turned into nights, but the villagers, fueled by Aryan's unwavering dedication, worked tirelessly. Aryan's leadership was inspiring. He was not just giving orders but working alongside everyone, showing them how to reinforce the structure and ensuring safety measures were in place. His engineering skills combined with his empathy and resilience turned fear into hope. As the embankment started to take shape, a new challenge arose. The weather forecast predicted a severe storm that could potentially undo all their hard work. Aryan knew they had to act fast. He called for a meeting and explained the need to strengthen the embankment further and create drainage channels to divert excess water. The storm hit with a fury, but the embankment held strong. The drainage channels efficiently diverted the overflow, preventing the village from flooding. When the storm passed, the villagers found their homes and fields largely intact. It was a victory not just against nature's fury, but a testament to human spirit and ingenuity. Aryan's efforts didn't go unnoticed. The village elders honored him with a special ceremony, recognizing him as the unseen hero who brought the community together and saved their homes. Aryan humbly accepted the accolades, but he knew the real heroes were the villagers who worked side by side, trusting his vision and showing incredible resilience. This experience transformed Ratanpur. It wasn't just about surviving a flood, it was about learning the power of unity and the impact of effective leadership. Aryan continued to work on sustainable projects for the village, ensuring they were better prepared for future challenges. The story of Ratanpur's triumph became a beacon of hope, inspiring neighboring villages to adopt similar community-driven initiatives. In the end, Aryan's return to his roots didn't just save a village, it sparked a movement that celebrated the strength of collective effort and the promise of a better, safer future for all.